Good morning children. Welcome to VVPS e-learning class. Children, as you know we have started yesterday our fifth chapter, that is division, and we have discussed about its terms and its facts. So today please open your page number 91. We will do fill in the blanks in smart maths. It is given here on page number 91. So children, these questions are given. You have to solve this question to check these facts which we have discussed yesterday in book only. You don't have to write it in your copy. Take one pencil and fill it in your book only. Now, so let's see. Fill in the blanks. 20. When 20 divide by 20, what will come? Answer will be 1, because according to rule number 2, when a number is divided by itself, the quotient is always 1. Now second question is 0 divided by 1578. Answer will be 0. Why? Because when 0 is divided by any number, the quotient is always 0. Now here 120 divided by dash is equal to 120. So according to rule number 3, when we divide a number by 1, answer will be, the question will be number itself. So here 120 is given and the number itself is the answer. So accordingly answer will be 1. We will fill here 1. Question number 4, 0 divided by 100, it will be 0. Again dash divide by 594 and the quotient is given 0. So it will be 0 only. Question number 6, dash divide by 18 is equal to 1. So according to rule number 2, again when we divide number by itself, the quotient is always 1. Here the quotient is given 1. So the number will be, the number which we fill here, it will be number itself. So 18 is there, so 18 we will write here. Question number 7, 24 divided by dash is equal to 24. Answer will be 1. 45 divided by dash is equal to 1, that is 45 will be the answer. 54 minus 9 is equal to dash, and 54 divided by 9 is equal to dash, and 54 divided by 6 is equal to dash. So it is the question according to the rule number 1. Every multiplication fact has 2 division fact. So you can see here it is the table of 9 and 6. So in the table of 9, 54 comes 6 times. So 9 6 are 54, and in the table of 6, 54 comes 9 times in the table of 6. So 6 9s are 54. So here we will fill 6, and where the 6 is given we will fill 9. Okay. Question number 10, 32 divided by 32 is equal to 1. Now children, before going to the exercise, we learn one more term, that is checking division. How we check the division? The remainder obtained after division is always smaller than the divisor. We can check the division using the following facts. So children, to checking the division, the fact is given. What is it? We see here, quotient multiply by divisor plus remainder and is equal to dividend. So we can take one example here. On dividing 21 by 6, she got 3 as quotient and 3 as remainder. So this example we have discussed yesterday also. Today same example we are taking to check our division. So children, 6 we will write here, it is the divisor. 21 is the dividend, and 6 3s are 18, 3 is the quotient, and by subtracting 18 from 21, the 3 will come, this 3 is remainder. So we put these numbers according to these fact. So first is given quotient. At the place of quotient we will write 3 we have written here. Multiply by divisor, multiply by d is the short form of divisor, q is the short form of quotient, and r is the short form of remainder. So divisor is 6. We have written 6 here. Now plus remainder r we have written here, and remainder is, what is remainder? 3 जो लास्ट में बचा है. So once again quotient is 3, quotient ये है, then divisor is 6, 6 will be written, 6 is here, and remainder is again 3. Now what we will do? We will solve these numbers. So first it is written 3 multiplied by 6. So 3 6 are 18, and plus 3, 18 plus 3 is 21. Now 21 is the dividend. You can see here 21 is the dividend. अगर ये डिविडेंड सेम आता है then it means that you have done the division is correct. Clear है? Now your homework is, you have to learn this fact for checking the division. You have to learn this fact and you will write this fact in your copy before starting the chapter 5. Now your homework, once again I am repeating, you have to write division fact and checking division fact. You will write in your classwork copy. Clear है? Once again I am repeating, division fact and checking division fact, you have to write it in your copy, classwork copy. Thank you and have a nice day.